God, what weather. When I got the car home, there was a terrible rattling on the windscreen, and what it was the underside of the wiper arm. There's two rivets in here, which I believe are actually worn, which I'll probably replace. But they were scraping on the windscreen, which isn't good. So as a quick fix, I just put the screwdriver in, twisted it and bent it like that, so that the underside wasn't banging on the windscreen, causing any damage. Incidentally, this has got to be the easiest wiper to get off. There you go, back on.